If your YouTube channel is not getting enough watch hour, there is a high chance you are ignoring one simple thing that big channel use every single day. And no, it's not even about posting more videos at all. It is something called playlist. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Even if you are a beginner or you have been on YouTube for a long time and you have never used it before. So if you don't even have a playlist or you are not using it properly, you need to watch this video till the end. Do you understand? So what is a playlist? Now, what exactly is a playlist? A playlist is just a simple way of organizing your videos into groups so that people can watch them one after the other without leaving your channel or without ignoring your channel. You understand? This is simple, but here is where it gets powerful. Why it matters. Playlist can increase your watch time, and even if you are struggling with time, this is something that you should not ignore at all. Because instead of someone watching just one video on your channel and leaving, no, playlist will make them keep watching your video back to back every time. Like, it will make them keep watching, and that is what YouTube wants, because the longer they watch your video, the more they watch hour. And it's what it is, SEO explanation. And does not stop there. Playlist also help you in your SEO. And then you be like, Kini SEO, what is SEO? Now if I wonder what is SEO, SEO simply means search engine optimization. Basically, that's how YouTube understand your channel. That's how YouTube recommend your content. So when you organize your videos into playlist, you are helping YouTube to understand your channel faster, and also helping new viewers know what your channel is about. So let's start. Alright, let's go straight into the video of today. First, go to your browser or Chrome or any browser of your choice and type studio.youtube.com. Click on continue to studio. Now this is your YouTube channel dashboard. This is how it looks like. Are you seeing it? To create a playlist, look for the create button. It is usually beside the notification bell. You see options like upload video, go live, create post, new playlist. Click on new playlist. Now give your playlist a title like beginner YouTube guide. Next, a description. You can write something like, this playlist contains everything you need to know about starting and growing on YouTube as a beginner. Then next, go to visibility. Public, everyone sees it. Unlisted, only you people you shared link to will see it. Private, only you will see it. Yes, but I recommend you always put it to public, because it can help your channel grow faster. Next is the order of video. You can choose newest, oldest, most popular, this thing, but the best is just leave it as the newest one. Then click on add videos. This is where you select the video you want inside the playlist. So then quickly add it. But the best is you should have 3 or 4 videos that I have uploaded before you see what adding them to playlist. Make sure I have uploaded 3 to 4 videos. So select your videos. After I've selected your video, then click on done. This language, please, you can put English. Just quickly select English. So we are done creating our playlist. Can you see it? This is how to create our playlist. So we save it. Now if you go back to your YouTube application and check your channel, you will see the playlist that you just created there. That is how simple it is. It's very, very simple. So if you have struggled to watch time, watch hour. I say watch time. If you have struggled to watch hour, this is one of the easiest way you can fix it today. So go and create playlist right now. Go and create it. In case you are convinced in any part of the video, kindly tell me in the comment section in case you are confused. Let me know in the comment section so that I can help you out. You understand? So go and create, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my playlist. That's what I list in my end video, because the playlist is what I just teach you how to create. Go and check it out. Check out the playlist. So what? See you in my next video. Hi, I am Pulu Vibes. Bye bye.